Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2006 Honda CRF250X trail bike. This is a green sticker, electric start, 250, liquid cooled, beautiful condition with fresh graphics, brand new hand guards. Bike is in excellent shape. Come on by, make your 250 green sticker dreams come true with this 4-stroke CRF 250X. Only $49.99. Come on by, check it out, make us an offer. If we can do it, we will. We have financing. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.